This Gloss Enhancer upgrade kit has been designed to be used with an HP DesignJet Z9 Plus printer series. The Gloss Enhancer upgrade kit contains a USB dongle, a setup printhead, a new printhead, and a Gloss Enhancer cartridge. If you perform this upgrade when you initialize your printer, you will need only the USB dongle and the Gloss Enhancer cartridge. You can discard the setup printhead and keep the printhead provided in this kit in a safe place to use in the future. This is a universal printhead that can be used for any color. You can upgrade the HP DesignJet Z9 Plus during printer initialization. When prompted by the front panel, insert the USB dongle into the USB port on the upper side of the front panel. It is marked with the USB symbol. The front panel displays a message. Tap on Install to continue or Cancel to abort. Wait for the printer to restart. When prompted by the front panel, open the left and right ink cartridge covers. On the last position of the right-hand side cartridge slot, marked with E, remove the cartridge slot protector. Insert the Gloss Enhancer cartridge provided in this kit at the slot. Insert the other cartridges provided with the printer. Then close the ink cartridge covers. Proceed by following the instructions of the front panel and the assembly instructions of your printer. Now open the window and remove purges. Now proceed to install the printheads. It is important to mark each printhead with the specific color combination to be used. Pull the handle down to close the cover. Ensure that the end of the blue handle catches the wire loop on the near side of the carriage. Lower the handle to rest on the carriage cover. Close the top cover. Once the printhead check has finished, the product will be ready to load paper for the printhead alignment. When prompted by the front panel about the printhead alignment, use the spindle to load paper at the printer. Calibration requires paper at least 21 inches wide. If the blue removable stop is on the spindle, remove it. Load the roll onto the spindle. Add the removable stop to the spindle to keep the roll in place. Push the removable stop towards the roll as far as it will go. No gap should be left between stop and paper. At the front of the printer, place the spindle into the product. Feed the leading edge of the paper into the product until the product takes hold of it. Do not insert the roll paper into the cut sheet slot. Do not close the roll cover until the front panel notifies you. The printer calibrates the media advance. If you have an HP DesignJet Z6 or Z9 Plus with a vertical trimmer, 2 media advance calibration plots will be printed. The connectivity wizard will now start and take you step by step through connecting your printer to the internet. Follow the instructions. Take note of the printer's email address for email printing. Download the latest firmware and software from the links below.